You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Terron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. So if today is your first time of seeing this channel, please do well by subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button. Alright, and also please try and watch the video to the end because you have a lot to learn in this video, and also in all my videos there's something to learn. There are new things to learn. Alright, so please click the subscribe button, and also so as to be getting all notifications whenever I upload a video. So thank you so much. Alright, so in today's video we'll be doing this is a purse or a handbag with double pocket. So this is what we'll be doing today. Alright, now we'll go straight into the video. Now these are the things you need for it. Alright, so now this is for the front pocket. This is for the front pocket. This is the cover, and then this is for the side. So now you need this. This is a belt or tape. Okay, you need this. You need your material, your main material, and then you need a magic tape. You need a magic tape. You need a magic tape, and then a zip head, and a zip cloth. So everything that you need, all the materials will be. Just check the description button, the description for everything. You see it there, the description box. Everything, the measurement of this bag, of the purse, and everything is there. Alright, so let's get into the business of the day. Alright, now this is my main bag. This is the main bag. Alright, so now the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be fixing my zip cloth. So now this is the face. This is the face of the zip. Make sure you leave a long zip outside, and then you sew it. You leave some there. Okay, so I'll remove the remaining. So the remaining should be used for here. So now I'm going to split it open. Alright, so now the next thing is I'll be fixing my front pocket. But before then, let me tack the middle. I need to get the middle, the center of the bag. Let me get the center of the bag. Okay, so now I'll be fixing my pocket. So now for this pocket, now the length of this pocket should be the same. I mean, the wideness of here should be the same thing with the main pocket. Then this is the cover. The cover should be 1 inch, smaller than the cover. So it should be like 1 inch, okay, smaller, or 2 inches smaller. Can you see how it is? So see. Now what I'll do here now is, remember this is a cuff, so I'm going to cuff it. So I have my cuff. So now I'm going to be fixing my tape here. So this is ready. The next thing is I'll be fixing my magic tape. That's for the cover it. I'm going to be placing my magic tape here, husband and wife. So I'll fix the one of it here, get the center, just sew it round. So to now fix the main pocket, okay, I need to plint this one inside. You fold it inside before. So I'm measuring 7 inches. I'm fixing it. This is how I'm going to be putting it. But before this, I'll have to fix this one first. So now this is what I'll do. Measure 2 inches. So place it on 2 inches and sew. So can you see? So here, from here to here is like almost 1 inch, and also this side almost 1 inch, so that you will not have issues when so the next thing is to fix this one. So now I'm doing it like this. So you measure 7 inches. So from here to here is 7 inches. From here to here is also 7 inches. So you sew this one like this. Alright. We're almost there. So we have something like this. No, but remember, we need to fix we fix the wife, or is it the husband? The next thing is to fix, get it, make sure you get it accurately. So you place it this way. So I've gotten where I'm going to be placing it. So I'll be sewing this round. The thing you do is, look at this. So you're sewing like this. I'm going to sew like this. I'm sewing here and here. So you sew the other side as well. In case you are putting picture, you put your picture before you fold it inside. So now I'm plinting here and here, the two sides of the side. You plint it. You plint this and this, get the center. Okay, so now we'll be placing. Now the reason why your cover should not reach here is so that when you are fixing your side, it won't give you problem. So make sure it doesn't it's not equal with the main pocket. So like this, the two knotted sides together, and then I also sew the other side. Lift it up and then like this. This is how you fix the other side as well. So you also fix the other side the same way. So also do the same thing. The two knotted sides joined together, sew it like this, and like this. The next thing is to fix the side. So I'm going to completely cut off this side, so that I'm going to be fixing my tape right here like this with my tape or belt. You can call it tape or belt. Now the next thing is I'm going to be fixing my zip head, so make sure that they are equal. So I'm going to cut off anything that, so this is your zip head, like this, like this. Okay, but we need to also cover this side like this, so just open it a bit like this, then just round it, cover it up, loosen a bit of the side also here. So now the next thing is to sew from here. So I'm covering you do it as long as you want it to be. If you want it to be very long, you continue to, but I don't want it, the handle, to be very long. So now the next thing is, you don't leave this open. You now use your belt to still cover it like this, then bone the tip. For this one, all you need to do is our purse is ready. So just bone this tip, that's all. So my purse is ready with double pocket. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. All right, please share to your friends and your loved ones. Also invite them to subscribe to my channel in order to learn a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.